Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about text area field component. In previous video, I explained how we have to implement the input field component. So let's start the practical demonstration. Previously, in the input element, we have label and field and error message to create the input field component. In this text area field component also we will have all these values. So first of all, I'm going to create a component called text area dot jsx. Create a function and import the Formik components. Import field and error message. So here I'm going to provide the class name as container, and inside this div tag we are going to provide the label, and here I am going to provide a label variable and provide html for and provide the variable called name. Provide br next we are going to provide field, and here also we have to provide name variable. For id also we are going to provide same name variable, and here we have to provide text area as text area text area and type. We have to mention that type in the variable itself. Finally, we have to provide error message. Here also I am going to provide variable name and component, and this component definitely going to be a div tag. So next we have to create the props. So for this component we will get the props, and this props will destructure the variables called name, label and type. So props. So I'm going to place the text area in the form control. Here we have a input. So instead of this input, I'm going to replace text area. So the text area has been imported and it is provided here. Next, after adding text area in the form control, we have to provide the input in the form container. So here I'm going to provide the form control form control and type text area control. This control is used to select the input by using switch case, and here I'm going to provide the name as description or about, and a label also about. So here we have about. First create the initial values for the about, and next we have to make validation for the about. Same validation we have given in the name we want. So I have given the about. Now if we go to the front end, So here the name has been given wrongly. So where we have given, so in the text area name, so we have given names. If we go to the front end, you can see here name and about here. So after removing this, it is showing the required also. So about and provide some name Bharat, Loki, or, and I'm going to show the console here. You can see all the console here, name and about. This is how the text area has been working. In next video, I'm going to explain about select component. In next video, I'm going to explain about select reusable component in Formik. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time. Thank you for watching this video.